Looking for a new dating app? The Vibe app often comes up as a fresh, streamlined option to meet new people. But how does it actually perform? Today, we'll be exploring what it offers, what users are saying, and whether it's worth downloading. So, Vibe is a social and dating app available on both iOS and Android. The idea: swipe, match, chat, and build connections, whether friendships or dating. On iOS, it's described as make new friends, collect vibes on Snapchat, and get anonymous compliments. Android listings show it with over 20,000 ratings and an average of over 4.3 stars on one third party aggregator. Here are some of the features users highlight: simple, clean interface, and ease of swiping and matching. Some inclusive options like local dating and even curvy dating mentioned in reviews. On the flip side, free features are pretty limited. Multiple user reviews say you'll hit paywalls quickly. Now for its pros and cons. It goes down easy for casual use, good for meeting new people if you don't expect deep features. Decent rating internationally. Many users say it's not bad. If you're in a region with lots of users, you might find interesting matches. However, it has some cons. Many users complain of bot profiles, fake accounts, or matches that never respond. Messaging and other features often locked behind premium and subscription paywalls, so free experience is limited. Some filter limitations and fewer advanced controls, age, range, gender preferences than major dating apps. Safety concerns. As with many lesser known apps, you'll want to be cautious about how much personal info you share early on. So is Vibe worth it? It is worth it if you're looking for a low cost or low expectation way to meet new people, perhaps make new friends, or see what the experience is like. It can be a reasonable choice. But if you're after a serious dating app with strong security, extensive features, reliable matches, and no hidden paywalls, you may find better value elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.